I'm Eliud Custodio. This is Turn 1 Studio, and today we're going to discuss why you shouldn't neglect your website maintenance. Your website is the digital face of your business, and like any well-oiled machine, it requires regular maintenance to function smoothly. Imagine a potential customer clicking on your site only to be met with sluggish page load times. Would they stick around? Probably not. Regular web hosting maintenance is your insurance against such scenarios, ensuring optimal site performance and a superior user experience. But it's not just about speed. Regular maintenance also helps your website stay safe from cyber threats, safeguarding your customers' sensitive data and your business's reputation. And let's not forget compliance. With regulations constantly evolving, regular maintenance ensures your website stays ahead of the curve, ensuring your customers' trust. Downtime could be a business's worst nightmare. Regular maintenance helps prevent such disruptions, keeping your website up and running smoothly 24/7. As your business grows, so does your website's traffic. Regular maintenance ensures your site can handle the increased load, providing a seamless experience for every user. But here's the kicker. Neglecting maintenance can cost you time and money. Investing in regular upkeep saves you from expensive repairs and wasted resources down the line. In conclusion, regular web hosting maintenance isn't just a chore. It's an investment in your business's success. It helps keep your site secure, compliant, and scalable while ensuring a positive experience for your customers. And if you need help figuring this out, contact us today. We can help keep your website running smoothly and your business thriving.